Okay, I'm going to do this real quick. I have some chicken breasts here. And what I did was I drizzled some extra virgin. Actually, I used this wood fire garlic. And then I used this seasoning, Mediterranean seasoning. I like this guy, his Kinder's. It's got some great seasoning. And there's a salt. The first ingredient is a salt. So I don't need to add any more salt. I added a little bit of black pepper, and then I drizzled some olive oil, and I went ahead and I basically rolled it in the olive oil and made sure that it was coated. And then I'll put some of the onions on the bottom as well as on the top. And that way I get that real nice oniony flavor. You can add some lemon juice. I might put some lemon juice in there. Add some lemon juice in there. So bell peppers and onions is a good, you don't need to put anything else unless you want to. And cover it up in some parchment and foil, and then stick it in the oven and let it do its thing. And halfway, make sure you use your thermometer and you temp it at the appropriate, make sure your chicken is cooked. Okay, so anyways, alright, that's it. And I use these gloves to show you that if you have long nails, please use gloves. There's bacteria that goes underneath. Yeah, you can wash them, but then it's easily, I keep my nails short. I always have. Anyways, I like short nails anyway, so. Anyways, okay. Until the next one. I'm sure there will be a part 2.